Hello there. I hope this video finds you all in perfect health. And if you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. Please join the family by subscribing, okay? Hit the subscribe button. It's free, all right? I welcome you all today. What are we cooking? We are cooking quinoa. So guys, somebody might ask, what is quinoa? It is a flowering plant that is grown mainly for its edible seeds. The seeds are rich in protein, dietary fiber, the B vitamins, and dietary minerals. Okay, and these are higher in quinoa than other grains. The fiber in quinoa can also help with cholesterol and blood sugar levels, lowering your risk of diabetes and heart disease. Quinoa is rich in antioxidants, which can prevent damage to your heart and other organs. Today, we just want to learn how to cook it. It is very simple. This is how quinoa looks like. You want to make sure you inspect it well before cooking. All right, friends. So the first thing we're going to do is to wash this thoroughly. You see how the water is a little bit clearer than when we first started washing it? That is how you know your quinoa is clean. So we're just gonna drain the water for the last time. We washed it 3 times. So carefully drain the water. You can use a coriander just to be sure you're not wasting your quinoa. Alright, so it's clean and we're gonna cook our quinoa. Alright friends, our quinoa has been washed and transferred into a saucepan. At this point, we want to add some water to it. Now this is the tricky part. So guys, you just want to make sure you don't add too much water, just a little bit above the level of the quinoa. That's all you need. All right, so at this point you can add some salt. It's optional. Also, this is optional, but I love the smell of coconut in my quinoa, so I always add like a tablespoon or 2 to my quinoa depending on the quantity I'm cooking. Okay, so with this one I'm cooking 2 pounds of quinoa, so I added like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and that is all you need. Bring it to a boil. As soon as it boils, you reduce the temperature of your stove and let the heat do the cooking. Alright, so basically you're just cooking it as you cook rice. That's it. High heat in the beginning, and then as soon as it starts boiling, you reduce it. You just leave it to cook and do its own thing. So friends, we want to check on the quinoa. Alright, so it's been boiling and the water has reduced. We still have some water in there, but at this point you want to go ahead and reduce the temperature. That way the steam does the rest of the cooking for you. So friends, at this point you want to go ahead and stir your quinoa. You want to also go ahead and check the texture to see if it's your desired preference. You can at this point add water if you want to, but I think I am okay with this texture. So I'm going to leave it on for 5 more minutes. Friends, our quinoa is done. There's one thing I love about quinoa. It doesn't take long to cook. That is one thing I love about it. So just look. It's ready. You can eat this with anything. Soup, stews, beans. You can use this instead of gari. Okay? You can eat this with raw pepper. Just basically anything. Anything. I hope you try it and let me know in the comment section. And it comes in different colors. Okay, so just buy whichever you prefer and try it out. Friends, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Till then, be safe. God bless you all. Bye.